In the world of design and decor, contemporary wood furniture and modern wood decor ideas have carved out a special place for themselves, an artistic and emotional connection between natural elements and sophisticated living. At a time when technology dominates so many aspects of our lives, the warmth and authenticity of wood bring balance, grounding, and character to modern interiors. What makes contemporary wood design so inspiring is how it blends minimalism, sustainability, and craftsmanship into a seamless expression of personal style and creativity. It's not just about making furniture. It's about creating experiences, shaping environments, and crafting pieces that speak to both the eye and the heart. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Every contemporary wooden piece tells a story of the tree it came from, the hands that shaped it, and the vision that gave it purpose. When you begin working with wood, you quickly realize it's more than a material. It's a living canvas. Each grain, texture, and curve invites you to create something meaningful. In contemporary design, wood becomes a medium of simplicity and sophistication, where raw natural beauty meets clean, geometric lines and modern finishes. This harmony of old and new, of organic imperfection and sleek precision, gives contemporary wooden decor its timeless appeal. The secret to successful contemporary woodworking lies in combining creativity with functionality. Modern homeowners aren't just looking for furniture, they're searching for statement pieces that resonate with their identity. A simple wooden coffee table, sculpted with bold edges and finished in matte black, can transform a living room into a modern sanctuary. A floating wooden shelf made from reclaimed oak can tell a story of sustainability and artistry. Every piece, no matter how small, can become a conversation starter. The beauty of contemporary wood design is that it's not limited to grand gestures. Even subtle details, a minimalist lamp base, a smooth wooden wall panel, or a handcrafted chair, can elevate a space from ordinary to extraordinary. The art of crafting modern wooden decor also reflects a deeper consciousness about sustainability. In today's eco-aware world, people are drawn to materials that carry meaning and longevity. When you create contemporary furniture from responsibly sourced wood or reclaimed timber, you're not only designing decor, you're participating in a movement that values both creativity and conservation. The furniture you build becomes more than an object. It becomes a symbol of ethical craftsmanship and respect for nature. That sense of integrity and authenticity is exactly what modern buyers crave. They want furniture that tells a story, something that feels handcrafted, soulful, and timeless rather than mass-produced and disposable. For creators and entrepreneurs, contemporary woodworking opens endless opportunities. Modern consumers are willing to invest in pieces that blend style with sustainability, artistry with practicality. The global market for handmade and eco-conscious furniture continues to grow as people seek alternatives to uniform, machine-made designs. Whether you're crafting sculptural side tables, sleek wooden wall art, or modern benches from reclaimed materials, your work can capture both hearts and markets. The combination of natural warmth and modern sophistication has universal appeal. It works beautifully in urban lofts, cozy apartments, and minimalist homes alike. What truly sets contemporary wood design apart is its ability to adapt and evolve. You can experiment endlessly with finishes, forms, and fusions of materials. Imagine merging raw wood with metal frames, glass tops, or stone accents to create furniture that reflects both strength and elegance. Or consider the subtle contrast of light and dark wood tones that bring depth and personality to a space. These artistic choices don't just enhance the visual appeal, they create emotional resonance. People connect with wood because it feels alive, it breathes, it ages gracefully, and it holds memories. Every project you complete becomes a bridge between modern living and the timeless essence of nature. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. As you explore this journey, you'll discover that woodworking isn't merely a skill, it's an art form that brings imagination to life. It teaches patience, precision, and respect for materials. It's a process that starts with a spark of creativity and transforms into something tangible, something that enriches both the maker and the home it enters. The satisfaction of running your hands over a smooth wooden surface you shaped yourself is unlike anything else. It's a connection between mind, material, and meaning. This creative fulfillment, combined with the potential for profit, is what makes woodworking one of the most rewarding crafts in today's world. In a modern home, contemporary wood decor adds more than style, it adds soul. It softens the sharpness of metal, complements the coolness of glass, and harmonizes with natural light in ways no synthetic material can. A solid wooden dining table becomes a centerpiece for family gatherings and memories. A handcrafted console becomes a daily reminder of artistry and intention. Each creation you make has the power to transform not just a room, but the feeling of living within it. For the aspiring designer, DIY enthusiast, or woodcraft entrepreneur, embracing contemporary wood design is about understanding both form and feeling. It's about designing for today's aesthetic sensibilities while staying rooted in timeless craftsmanship. The contemporary style may favor clean lines and simplicity, but within that simplicity lies profound beauty. When you pair creativity with contemporary choices, innovative shapes, contrasting textures, eco-friendly finishes, you craft decor that not only sells fast, but also touches lives. Your work becomes part of someone's story, a shelf that holds their favorite books, a table that witnesses laughter, or a chair that offers comfort after a long day. Ultimately, contemporary wood furniture and decor are about connection to the earth, to art, and to each other. It's a journey of honoring tradition while embracing innovation. As you shape each piece, you're reminded that the essence of woodworking goes beyond the tools and techniques. It's about intention, emotion, and creation. It's about turning imagination into reality and leaving a legacy of beauty that lasts for generations. In this way, the act of working with wood becomes symbolic of life itself, a balance of patience, resilience, and growth. The very grains of wood, etched by time and nature, become metaphors for strength and endurance. When you design with purpose and mindfulness, your work carries those same values into the homes and hearts of others. Each handcrafted piece, no matter how simple, contributes to a greater narrative of sustainable creativity, a story where nature and modern living coexist beautifully. So, whether you're crafting your first piece or refining your artistic voice, let contemporary woodworking remind you of what's possible when imagination, skill, and purpose come together. With every cut, polish, and design choice, you're not just making decor, you're shaping emotion, crafting meaning, and building a future where beauty and sustainability live side by side. In this art form, wood isn't just a resource. It's a reflection of life's harmony, strong, warm, and endlessly inspiring. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.